Lithium-ion batteries are the most popular rechargeable batteries widely used in portable electronics and electric vehicles. As lithium-ion batteries have higher energy density compared to other battery chemistries, but they need to be operated in their safe operating area as they have thermal runaway issues which pose risk of fire. A battery management system (BMS) ensures safe and efficient operation of batteries in the long term. A BMS safeguards both the user and the battery by ensuring that the cell operates within its safe operating parameters. The main functions of a BMS are the following: battery protection, it ensures normal and safe operation; battery monitoring, it constantly checks the state of charge and state of health of battery during charging and discharging; battery optimization, it performs cell balancing, improving the life and capacity of the battery. Let us see a generic battery management system. Data acquisition. BMS monitors the battery by measuring three vital parameters: voltage, current, and temperature of every cell in the battery pack. Battery packs are formed by connecting many cells in series or parallel configuration. If a set of cells are connected in series, then voltage across each cell is measured, but current for the entire set will be same. Similarly, when a set of cells are connected in parallel, the entire voltage only is measured and current across each cell is measured. State estimation. This data is further used to estimate the battery state, including state of charge, state of health estimation. SOC indicates how much charge is left in the battery expressed as percentage. SOH refers to the battery's overall health condition, internal resistance and capacity relative to its performance at the beginning of life. Thermal management. BMS has another important task of regulating the battery temperature. The life and efficiency of a lithium battery pack greatly depends on the operating temperature. A battery pack would drain faster if operated at higher temperatures, significantly decreasing battery life, and low temperatures reduce the usable capacity and energy as well as affect how fast batteries can be charged. It is important for battery management system to activate heaters or coolers to keep the temperature within safe limits. Protection. A battery management system protects the battery from conditions that can harm batteries such as overcharging, overdischarging, overcurrent, and overtemperature, thereby ensuring battery cells and user safety. Communications. A battery management system communicates with external devices or systems, providing real time information about the battery status to display and receiving information from other systems. Power management. A battery management system oversees and controls the power flow to and from a battery pack. One of the major control algorithms of battery management system is cell balancing. Cell balancing is the process of equalizing the voltages among individual cells. Battery cell balancing is needed as each cell needs to be charged and discharged properly, thereby maximizing the battery's capacity and lifespan. The battery management system is a crucial component to ensure safe and reliable battery operation. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, do like, share and subscribe to our list. Also press bell icon to get notified.